Volunteers from all over the world are headed to the southeast U.S. to help families impacted by Hurricane Milton. Many of those volunteers are from Colorado. News 5's Eleanor Sheehan joins us in the newsroom. And Eleanor, how many of these volunteers are going?
Allison, the Red Cross alone has 60 volunteers from Colorado that are in Georgia, Florida, and North Carolina. The Red Cross plans to send even more volunteers in the coming days. Now, I spoke with one of those volunteers today who is from Carbondale, Colorado.
What can I do?
American Red Cross shelter volunteer Phi Filerman wants to help.
You know, you watch all of these disasters on the news and you just feel so helpless. And I think if you're someone who just sort of has that natural inclination to want to do something, the Red Cross just seemed like a natural fit.
Feeling called to serve, Phi joined a local branch of the American Red Cross in Colorado. As Hurricane Milton approaches, Phi packed her bags and traveled all the way to Georgia to volunteer at an evacuation center.
And it's been set up to be ready for people that are evacuating Milton. And we have nobody here.
But Phi says they're expecting the gym to be full of hundreds of people evacuating Hurricane Milton in the next 24 hours.
We had one family here last night, which we were surprised that we didn't have more people. But as we're a little bit further up the the 75 corridor, so as things get more full, closer to Florida, we suspect we'll be getting overflow.
The evacuation center is on a college campus in Warner Robins, Georgia. That's about 136 miles from the Georgia-Florida state line.
We're not in an area of any hardship or any disasters.
She says overflow from the shelters in Florida will come to their center. When they arrive, people can sit out the storm and get food, water, and help.
You'll find out if they've gotten any health concerns or anything. There is a nurse here from the county, so we'll direct them to there if they're having having mental health issues. The Red Cross has mental health support, so we'll make sure that they have those resources. And then just really checking in and just taking care of people.
Leaving Colorado and traveling across the country. This is Phi's first deployment with the Red Cross.
We keep hearing stories of, how all the devastation and people and needs and things. And so, yeah, I'm a little nervous about that.
But she is ready to help.
And really just making sure they have what they need, that they feel taken care of.
First responders from Colorado are also on their way to assist in Florida. 2 members of the Pueblo Fire Department left today to help out with the rescue efforts in hazmat and medical for people hurt by Hurricane Milton. The Colorado Springs Fire Department is also sending 14 members to help out. They are expected to stay in the area until the storm passes.